and they're just, playmakers and ball holding midfield. But as you said, it's still some time to go in the market. So let's see how things turns out. I think, talking about the market as well, Danjuma has been kind of linked to a long deal to Valencia as well.
Yep.
He's been linked to go to Turkey, and now, just today, Valencia's news was out that he was linked to be loaned there. So yeah, I think it's still a bit of weeks to go in the transfer market. But yeah, no, to your point, I expect to see some signings.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we need desperately a striker right now. I think as much as we got a good deal on Body, the negative side with it is how do you find a replacement for him who is within the budget of Villarreal? So it's
Yeah, yeah.
very difficult. It's
I
very
think,
difficult to find.
I think, but at the same time, I think linking this to linking the transfer kind of market to the squad. I think you also need to kind of think about us being in all three competitions as well. So obviously, we're playing in La Liga, we'll be playing in the Copa Rey, and then at the same time, obviously, we're playing in Champions League as well. So that changes the whole kind of dynamic and also the team as well. So you need more players to kind of be able to keep up of that many games as well, right? So you don't want to keep on playing the same 11 for all three, three competitions as well. That won't see us progress, any further, maybe after the first round or after the first few matches. And we need to maintain ourselves in La Liga at the same time. So from a fan perspective, definitely you want signings and you want to build up the team, and you have that backup and you have that rotation as well.
Yeah.
So I think as you said, right, I'm just hoping that we'll be able to kind of have more exciting news coming up the next couple of weeks